John! John! Wake up! Wait, John! Boy, wake up! John!
Girl, your pum tight.
What are we
Hold on, me there.
Where we there?
Me there now on nice tree. I'm tear my youth.
I'm tear, look
why you wake me up for my youth?
Yo.
Why you wake me up, dog?
There's a gun right behind your head.
Which part?
Right behind your head.
Oh shit.
Watch it. Watch out.
What is?
Prince Vincent YaadBwoy. For years, the Jamaican dancehall has been profiting off of homosexuality, or should I say, batimanism. Seeing that you two are the up-and-coming Jamaican celebrities, I have made a proposition for you. Become homosexual or die.
Homosexual?
Hello? Hello? Hi, baby. How you doing? No, honey. I already ate, but I left the chicken.
I do think this.
You don't know if you cook chicken and rice. Just put the oven to 350 degrees and then just put the rice on medium because you don't want to burn it. I'm at work, honey. No, you can't say my job. You know we talked about this already. I work for Top Secret for the government. Alright. Okay.
Hombre, let me out of this.
Okay, look.
What? Oi! What?
Your lips are rigged to a clock and a gun. And if your lips don't meet, by the time is up at 12 o'clock, you, Chad, will die.
Kiss what? Kiss what? Man, I real Jamaican, man, I kiss no man. My youth, I'm me strapped to the gun doing.
Boy, you look like Shibata to you.
My youth, just give me a kiss.
Me look like Shibata.
Just give me a kiss.
Me look like Shibata to you.
My youth.
Me look like Shibata to you.
My youth.
Me look like Shibata to you.
Hear me out. Look. This is one quick kiss, my youth.
Alright, that's me know why you did it.
My youth, just give me a kiss.
You can't tell nobody.
I'm not gonna tell nobody. Yeah, hear that? Oh, not Jamaican. Just give me a kiss, dog.
How does this dilemma end? You decide. Click here for the... Or click here for the boom bye bye. Kiss, boom bye bye. Kiss, boom bye bye. Kiss, boom bye bye. You decide. Kiss, boom bye bye. Kiss. Click the thing already now.